Done. Oh, my neck.
Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Sorry, that's my plant. Long time no see. I know it's been forever. I don't know, there's so much to tell you. The main reason why I have been absent from YouTube and I haven't been able to make videos is because I got married last month. I was gonna say last week. I got married last month. It was a destination wedding and we didn't have any help, so we had to do everything ourselves. And the last couple months just got way busier and stressful, and I wanted to focus on my wedding. Anyways, I am back. I'm back to stay. I know I say this all the time, but seriously, I am back to stay. My schedule works perfect now. You know, my work schedule it gives me more time to make videos without me stressing out, and I don't do good with stress. This is the look that I've been doing recently. I love the colors. The store totally screams fall, and it's super easy, super affordable, mostly drugstore products. You can totally recreate this. All we used was just one eyeshadow. Pretty much it's just drugstore, and again, it's super easy. I could totally do this in like 15-20 minutes max. You know, when I'm taking my time and I'm being more detailed and this and that. Before we get started with the video, like always, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell somewhere in here. I think it's here, so you don't miss any of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and until my next video, mwah, bye. I'm just gonna do one eyebrow on camera because it's probably the thing out of my time that takes me the longest. Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm gonna start with my eyeshadow, and I'm gonna prime my eyelids really quick with concealer. I'm using my Maybelline Reweinf. So I'm gonna dab it just a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this color right over here. This like brick reddish color. And I'm gonna apply that all over my eyelids. I'm gonna leave the eyes there for now, and I'm gonna move on to my skin. Today I'm going to be using the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this, just a couple of this. Now I'm going to apply concealer, and for that I'm going to use the Maybelline Reweinf. Now I'm going to go ahead and set my foundation and my concealer. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and brush my skin. Now with the same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of blush. Okay, now let's go back to the eyes. Okay, so I'm just gonna wing it just a little bit. just like that, and I'm gonna bring it in. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to the eyeshadow, the same eyeshadow we use for our lips. I'm gonna go in with the same color, and I'm gonna use the same brush. The only thing is I'm gonna press on it so I can go under my lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bones, my cheekbones, and my inner part of my eyes. Now to finish this look, I'm going to go ahead and line my lips, and for that I'm going to be using Jordana lip liner in Tawney. And lastly, I'm going to go ahead and fill that in with this liquid lipstick. This is by Wet n Wild.